Hello! Now that you finished Over the Deep Blue Sea, you're going to learn a song called Handbells. I will play the left hand for you and then the right hand. We're going to do both pages in this video. Alright, so we're going to start with the first page, and this is called Handbells, and we're going to do part one. It's for our left hand. Here's our left hand, and we're going to place our fingers on these keys here. So our second finger is going to go there. Third finger is going to go there. Fourth finger is going to go there on our piano. Okay? Before we get started, you look at this blue box here. It's teaching us dynamic signs. So these two dynamic signs tell us how loud or how soft to play. So this little P here, this is called piano, and it means soft. So you want to play the song softly. This curvy F here, this is actually called forte, and it means play it loud. So here's an example. If you just listen, here's an example of playing something piano soft. See, I just very lightly press on the keys. Now for forte loud, now it's loud. So you want to press a little harder. Okay, so we're going to get started. Remember, just for this song, you're only going to use your second, third, and fourth finger. So let's start with finger number 2 and give it 1 count. 1. And this whole line here, right from here to here, it's going to be piano soft. So continue playing it softly. Finger number 3. Finger number 4. 3. Finger number 2. 3. And now for 4, we're going to give it 2 counts. 1, 2. Alright, so we played this whole piano soft part. Now we're going to play the forte loud part. So for finger number 2, we're going to give it 2 counts and nice and loud. 1, 2. Finger number 4, we're going to also give it 2 counts. 1, 2. And then again. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright, so I'm going to play this whole part for you all the way through. We're going to count the measures, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I want you to practice the whole left hand and make sure you got that before we can move on to the right hand. Alright, now we're on the right hand. This is part 2. We're going to have our right hand be here. Our left hand was over here. Now we're going to have our right hand be here. We have our finger number 2 here. 3, 4. That's it. That's all we're going to use for this song. Okay? So from here to here, we're going to play piano soft. And then from here to here, we're going to play forte loud. Okay? Alright, let's start here and play piano soft with finger number 2 and give it 1 count. 1. And then the next count, we're going to have finger number 3, 2. The next one, finger number 4, 3. The next one, finger number 3, 4. Okay? Alright, now we have finger number 2. It's also a quarter note. Starting over in the counts, we have 1. Finger number 3, 2. Finger number 4, give it 2 counts. 3, 4. And then we have forte. We're going to play this nice and loud. So we have finger number 2, count 1, 2. Finger number 4, count 3, 4. Finger number 2, we have a whole note, so we're going to give it 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then at the end here, see these 2 dots before this double bar line here? This means that you're going to repeat. This is called a repeat sign. and it means that you repeat back to the beginning and play it again. So here that would mean that you would go all the way back to this page and play it again and go all the way back here. And that's how you play the whole song. So I want you to practice just the right hand for now, just right here. And then in the next part, we will play the entire song with the repeat, okay? Alright, now I'm going to play the entire song for you, and I'll count it all the way through. And notice that when you play it piano soft, make sure you're pressing very lightly on the keys. When you play it loud, press a little bit harder, okay? Alright, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now that you're done playing the whole song, I want you to practice it and make sure you can play it 3 times with no mistakes before you can send me a video so I can see how you did, so then I can see if you're ready to move on to the next song.